Hello, friends. Come sing with me. We learn the sounds from A to Z. Let's go. A is for apple. Apple. Red and round. It's crunchy and sweet. B is for ball. Ball. Bounce it high. Then let it fall. C is for cat. Cat. It purrs and naps on a cozy mat. D is for dog. Dog. It wags its tail and loves to jog. E is for elephant. Elephant. It's big and gray and makes a trumpet sound. F is for fish. Fish. It swims around with a swish. G is for goat. Goat. It climbs up rocks and gives a bleat note. H is for hat. Hat. Put it on and give a bat. I is for igloo. Igloo. A home made of ice, chilly but cool. J is for jelly. Jelly. It wiggles and jiggles in your belly. K is for kite. Kite. It soars and swirls in the sky so bright. L is for lion. Lion. Hear it roar with pride and might. M is for monkey. Monkey. It swings and laughs and acts so funky. N is for nest. Nest. It's where the baby birdies rest. O is for octopus. Octopus. With 8 long arms, no need to fuss. P it's for pizza. Pizza. So yummy with cheesy delight. Mamma mia. Q is for queen. Queen. She wears a crown and rules the scene. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. Colors shining in the sky. What a glow. S is for sun. Sun. It warms the earth and makes things fun. T is for turtle. Turtle. It moves so slow but steady wins. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. It keeps you dry when skies turn wet. V is for violin. Violin. Play a tune. Let's begin. W is for whale. Whale. It sinks beneath the ocean trail. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Tap the bars. It makes a tone. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Up and down. It's fun to go. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Black and white and full of flair. You did it. A to Z. What a ride. You said this sounds with so much pride. Come back soon and say them again. With Thinker Kids, learning never ends.